If you were on Twitter when Mark McMorris won Canada's first Olympic medal at this year's Games, you may have noticed the hashtag McRib floating around. You probably thought, that's weird. Actually, it's not. And it's also not the hyper-processed, barbecue sauce-slathered pork sandwich from McDonald's. Hashtag McRib is a bit of an inside joke that fans of the snowboarder are using to celebrate the fact that Mark managed to land on the podium despite the fact that he cracked his rib less than a month ago at the X Games. Get it? McMorris broke his rib? Anyways, in all seriousness, leading up to the Games, the pain was so persistent that it was rippling up his back whenever he glided down a ramp, hit a bump, or landed a jump. But no agony showed on his face after his medal-worthy run. He just sported an ever-growing grin. It's time to celebrate. McRib, anyone?